Hello friends, welcome to Jainam software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can create gold loan and how we can upload loan and documents for that loan. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I have done some settings. So go to the setting. So here I have added gold rate per gram 5000. So we can add according to the current rate. So here is the money lending. You can select the gold rate per gram. So that is default value is 2500. Now I will go to the stock and create stock for gold. So I have created MS, that is Mangal Sutra, bangles, earrings and rings. So now I will search one customer to create loan. So this is Shruti Singh. Now go to the loan, click loan and here loan entry form. So from the personal loan go to the gold loan and here ornaments we can select, for example let's say ring. So quantity will take 1, let's say 5 gram, net weight also 5 gram. Purity I will take let's say 97% and loan percentage on that is, for example let's say 84.22%, or I can change this to the 95%. So here 20,000 is the valuation. Just add to draft. So I have added this valuation. Now let's create loan for this amount for let's say 20,000. So rate of interest I will take let's say 2% monthly, and here I will take interest with principal and for let's say 5 months. So I will calculate from here. So you can see projected interest 2000 and installment amount is 4500. So from here we can select the date for loan and installment start date. So here I can take for let's say 6th of November, and here I have added some charges. Auto configuration, that is commission received 600, interest received I want to delete interest received from here, and insurance charges also I want to delete, and I can add let's say document charges I want to add. So I will add 100 for document charges. So this additional charges I have done. Now let's save this loan from here. So we have saved loan number 14. Let's search this 14 from the search bar. So this is loan number 14, you can see. So just go down and check the passbook details. So you can see loan given is 20,000, charges 700, interest applied is 2,000. So total recoverable amount is 22,000 for 5 months. Now we can add the documents for this loan account. For let's say document list, just go to the upload documents and here I will select gold ornaments. So from here I will just browse, and in the documents I have added some gold images. So I will upload these documents from here. Just go to the upload and upload all files. So we have uploaded this. Now let's search this loan number again. So we have added these documents. Let's search in document list. So you can see I have added this ornament and we can verify from here. Just click on verify. So this type we can edit documents and we can verify that from the loan account.